In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image caption in Gamma app step by step so you can make your presentations, documents, or pages look more polished and professional. If you're creating content in Gamma and want to label an image, explain what it shows, or simply add a cleaner visual layout, this quick tutorial will help. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Gamma project that contains the image you want to caption. This could be a presentation, a web page, or any other project you're working on inside Gamma. Now find the image in your layout and click near it where you want the caption to appear. The goal here is to place the text directly under the image so it looks like a proper caption and not just random text on the page. If Gamma gives you this option to add a new text block, choose that and create a fresh line underneath the image. Next, type your caption text. Keep it short, clear, and relevant to the image. A good caption should help the viewer understand the image better without making the layout feel crowded. For example, you might use a label, a short description, or a simple explanatory sentence depending on the content. After that, select the caption text and adjust the styling if needed. In many cases, captions look better when they are a little smaller or lighter than the main body text. That helps the caption feel like a supporting detail instead of the main focus. You can also make it italic if that fits your design style and improves readability. Once the caption is formatted, double-check its position. Make sure it sits clearly below the image, with enough space so it's easy to read and visually connected to the image above it. If the spacing looks off, just move the text slightly until it feels balanced. That's really all there is to it. By adding a simple text line under your image, you can create a clean image caption in Gamma app in just a few seconds. This is a great way to make your content look more organized, more professional, and easier for your audience to understand. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Gamma tutorials and other software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.